Discover the TOOLTOP T210 infrared thermal imager, now available on Aliexpress, engineered specifically for precision PCB and mobile phone repairs. Featuring a high-definition 256 by 192 infrared sensor, it instantly locates abnormally high-temperature components and short circuits while eliminating complex troubleshooting bugs. This versatile device works seamlessly with both Windows 10 and above systems and Android devices, thanks to its professional thermal imaging analysis software and upgraded stand that allows flexible mobile phone placement during operations. Experience intuitive 3D imaging mode that visualizes circuit boards in 3 dimensions, making small current fluctuations and subtle temperature changes remarkably clear for advanced motherboard diagnostics. The included 30mm macro lens magnifies local object details with exceptional clarity, enabling you to distinguish components as small as 0.3mm pins effortlessly. Leverage powerful software capabilities with 5 color palettes for customized visualization, plus photo and video capture functionality. Utilize rectangular and dual board comparison modes to analyze faulty circuits efficiently, while built-in tutorials guide novices through quick setup and operation. Key specifications include a 25 Hz refresh rate, 56 by 42 degree field of view, and precise measurement distance from 3 cm to 15 cm. It measures temperatures from -15 degrees Celsius to 600 degrees Celsius, 5 degrees Fahrenheit to 1122 degrees Fahrenheit, with USB Type-C connectivity and 5-volt direct current input. Designed for durability, it operates reliably in 0 to 50 degrees Celsius environments and weighs just 660 grams with compact 150 by 150 by 230 mm dimensions. Your complete package includes the thermal imager analyzer, adjustable bracket, English user manual, Type-C data cable, USB cable, protective box, specialized macro lens, and USB drive containing PC software and Android applications. Elevate your repair capabilities with this professional-grade thermal imaging solution available exclusively on Aliexpress. Order now through the link in our description and transform complex diagnostics into efficient, precise workflows.